Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. Just gonna give you a bit of update in our building construction work. Currently, we are laying a nylon sheet, also known as polyethylene membrane, before casting a concrete slab. It is a crucial step in construction process. This process begins with a proper surface preparation where the formworks or ground base is cleaned thoroughly to remove dust, debris, or moisture. The surface must be even, free from sharp objects that could damage the nylon sheet. You can see in this process, the area is clean. Once the area is ready, the nylon sheet is carefully spread out across the entire slab area. It must cover all parts without any gaps or tear. If multiple sheets are used, they should be overlapped by at least 150 to 300 meters to ensure complete coverage, and they must be taped or secured to prevent shifting during concrete placement. So in this case, we used plastic nail. After the nylon is placed, reinforcement steel, either rebar or mesh, is laid on top using spacer or cover blocks to maintain the correct positioning and concrete cover. With the reinforcement properly arranged, concrete can then be poured over the setup, taking care not to disturb or distribute the nylon sheet. The use of nylon sheet serves several important functions. It acts as a moisture barrier, preventing water from the ground from seeping up into the concrete, which is especially important for ground floor slab. It also prevents loss of cement slurry through the base or joints in the formwork, helping maintain the desired water-cement ratio and ensure proper curing. This results in a stronger and more durable slab. Additionally, the nylon provides a clean, smooth base that provides the quality of the concrete finish, reducing the problem like dusting and honeycombs. In some cases, particularly with suspended slab or composite layer, the nylon can also serve as a bond beaker, allowing different layers to move independently where required. Laying nylon before a concrete slab is a simple yet vital procedure that enhances moisture control, preserves concrete strength, and contribute to the long-term performance of the structure. Neglecting this step can lead to defects, reduce durability, and cause repair in the future. So this is what we are doing here. Thank you very much indeed.
Hausa. Atukwa ebe nka. Atụba. Ha? Maka m na-ekwu ọgwa na aghata mana egotesi ya afọ. Nke a na-efọ.